Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sudhanshu from Divine Aesthetic Surgery, and today we'll talk about what exactly are PRP and GFC treatments. So, a lot of patients who are actually having a lot of hair fall or weakness in the hair or even frank hair loss will always ask, "Can doctor, is there anything which we can do to avoid surgery?" Now, some things can be done, especially if you have not lost a lot of hair. Medical management will work very well if you're losing hair, which means आपके roots हैं, the roots are still there, and we support them and supplement in some way so that they can actually grow. Now, having said that, PRP is the first step in that direction. PRP is platelet-rich precipitate, which is a serum created from your own blood. The blood is spun at very high revolutions, which makes the growth factors come out of the cells in the blood and into the serum. So this serum basically now has a lot of growth factors, which when put onto the scalp, gives a lot of nutritional benefits and health benefits to the follicles. Hence, a healthy follicle can grow better and survive for longer. So this works very well for majority of the patients, usually 80-85%. Now, in case the PRP is not working as well as it used to, or patients want something which is even better, or they are these people who have to be upgraded from PRP to a newer second step of treatment, which is GFC, which is growth factor concentrate. So GFC is simply PRP plus synthetic additives in the same serum. So these synthetic growth factors are commercially prepared and they are infused into the serum which is created from your own blood. So simply put, अगर आपके बाल पौधे हैं, PRP is manure and fertilizer is GFC. Obviously, the fertilizer is so much better for plants. So once GFC is given, almost 90-95% of people have amazing results. Now, what are those results? Hair quality improves, the hair breakage goes down, hair fall will also get controlled. Now, I say controlled, not stop, because see, every day some number of hair will still fall. That cannot be stopped. But the root remains. Now, if the root remains, as you also know, once root remains, the hair will continue to grow. So this kind of elongates the life of the existing roots of the hair and hence gives a much better result for people who are facing these problems. For any other doubts and any other clarifications, please do contact us.